In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an internal wiki in ClickUp. An internal wiki is a living hub for your team's knowledge, things like processes, policies, onboarding guides, and FAQs, all in one place so people can find answers fast. We'll build this using ClickUp Docs and a ready-made template that gives you a clean, scalable structure. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. From the results, select the official ClickUp website. This route is straightforward and helps you land on the right place without memorizing any URLs. Once you're in ClickUp, look to the top of the screen for the Create button. Give that a click to open the creation menu. From here, choose Doc. Docs are perfect for wikis because they support headings, nested pages, and collaboration features like comments, so your knowledge base can grow without getting messy. Inside your new doc, locate the templates icon. It usually sits near the top toolbar, and it opens the template gallery for docs. Templates are a huge time saver because they come with pre-built sections and formatting, which means you can focus on your content instead of building structure from scratch. In the template gallery, use the search bar and type Wiki. This filters the list to options designed for knowledge bases. You'll see a variety of styles. The goal is to pick one that gives you a sturdy foundation you can customize for your team. Choose the Company Wiki option. This template typically includes a logical layout with areas for things like company information, team guidelines, and processes. It's a great starting point because it balances simplicity with the flexibility to expand, so as your organization grows, your wiki can grow with it. Finally, click Use Template. ClickUp will spin up a new doc based on that layout, and you'll be ready to start filling in your content. From here, you can tailor headings to match your teams, link to existing resources, and keep formatting consistent so everything is easy to scan. As you build, think about clarity and findability. Use clear section names, keep pages concise, and maintain a predictable structure so people know where to look. That's all it takes. Go to Google, search for ClickUp, open the site, create a doc, open the templates, search for Wiki, select Company Wiki, and use the template. You now have a solid internal wiki framework inside ClickUp, ready to capture and organize your team's knowledge.